Thinking of becoming a freight broker but unsure where to start? This is SPI Logistics, and in this episode, we'll walk you through the critical first steps and how to build a solid business plan that sets you up for success. The freight industry continues to grow, but breaking in as an independent broker takes more than ambition. Before you can move freight, you need a clear strategy, one that lenders, partners, and you can rely on. Let's break down the essential first steps you'll need to take before you can legally and confidently operate as a freight broker. The first step is legal structure and registration. First, choose your business structure. Most freight brokers look for an LLC for liability protection and credibility. Next, apply for an EIN from the IRS and a DUNS number to establish your business credit profile. The second step is to create a business plan. Your business plan isn't just paperwork, it's your blueprint. Lenders require it for loans, but more importantly, it keeps your growth on track. Include market analysis, startup costs, target clients, marketing strategy, financial projections. The third step is funding and capital. Starting out, you'll likely need between $5,000 and $15,000. Costs include FMCSA registration, the $75K surety bond, insurance, and tech tools. These upfront steps weren't always this standardized. Today's brokers benefit from a structured setup process that protects clients and builds trust. With a detailed plan, brokers gain clarity, boost investor confidence, and improve long-term sustainability. A well-planned launch leads to easier access to funding, streamlined operations, clear growth targets for 3 to 5 years. It's not just about moving freight, it's about building a lasting business. Still, many new brokers stumble by skipping planning. Without financial forecasting or a clear market focus, it's easy to burn through cash or miss growth opportunities. However, most successful freight brokers use purpose-built platforms to simplify compliance, automate load tracking, and manage client relationships. Cloud-based collaboration tools enable teams to communicate and share updates in real time, no matter where they're working from. Digital freight matching, DFM, reduce manual load matching by automatically pairing shipments with available carriers. ELD and telematics integration access real-time truck location, driver hours, and performance data to improve visibility and ensure compliance. That concludes this episode of SPI Logistics. Subscribe to learn more about licensing, marketing, and scaling your business. We've got your roadmap. You just have to drive. See you in the next one.